Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. This was my Aunt Barbara's recipe, and I'm trying to make it as best as I can. It'll never be as good as hers. First of all, I'm spraying a 9x13 dish, and I've cooked my chicken. I just boiled. It calls for a whole chicken. I just did the equivalent in thighs. And from that broth that was left over, I'm using 2 cups of that broth and 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Now you can use a can of cream of chicken and a can of cream of mushroom, but my family has allergy issues with mushrooms, so I'm using 2 cans of cream of chicken. You want to mix that up very well. Now to my chicken, I'm going to add a bag of frozen vegetables. It calls for a 16-ounce bag, but I think this is a 12-ounce. And it's fine. You want them cooked. I just cooked them in the microwave. And then you want to add your broth and soup mixture. And just mix it up really well and pour it into your baking dish. Now for your crust, you want to melt 1 stick of butter, and you want to add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of flour. Now the recipe didn't specify what kind of flour, so I used self-rising. I used what I thought my Aunt Barbara would use. And it made it real light and fluffy. It was good. Next time I may try plain flour just to see what the difference is. And you just pour that over the top. And you bake it on 400 degrees, which I preheated my oven, for 30 minutes until the crust is golden brown. And here's how it turned out. I was always excited when my Aunt Barbara would make this for family reunions or family get-togethers. It was so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.